Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a lot of really nice cars, and then you get those that are exceptional. This one's exceptional. Right out of Oklahoma, it's a clean car to start with. Ground up restored, it's got some really nice features. If you go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, photos top to bottom, get the price on this car, and a few hundred collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. Right now, join me, we'll go for a spin, and I'll tell you all about it. Absolutely gorgeous body and paint. It's a rust-free car. The guys in the shop have been talking about this car. They're underneath it, and it's just immaculate. The floors, the braces, the inner rockers, the inner quarters are just so dry. Such nice, clean metal. Again, the guys were literally talking about this one. The body is absolutely straight. Everything fits beautifully. The gaps are spot on. And it's got a beautiful red paint that's polished out. And all the trim is nice. All the trim looks new, actually. The moldings, the taillights, the bumper, this back panel is painted silver. But all this stuff looks new and in pristine shape. The emblems, the moldings down the side, all look new. Got some big chrome wheels on there. The exhaust comes out the side. New door handles. All this trim is polished out. It's got bow tie mirrors. Also has exhaust dumps right here. Emblems, wheels, trim, it's all new, all beautiful condition. Windshield is new. So underneath the car, the whole front end's completely rebuilt. It's got a sway bar. Pretty sure it has sway bar. Read the notes on the website to make sure. It is upgraded to disc brakes in front with drilled and slotted rotors. The whole brake system's new. The emergency brake is hooked up. The whole fuel system's new. The tank, the sending unit, the straps. Custom exhaust system. I pointed out the dumps in that, but it is Flowmaster mufflers, and it's all bent, runs right along the frame. It's a M20 Muncie 4-speed, just completely rebuilt, all new shift linkage, all new clutch. That is all new. New drive shaft. It's got a new rear end in there, 308 gears, so it's a nice cruiser. It's got the dual antennas. Jambs are painted beautifully, new weather strips. The interior is all redone. It's done to look completely stock, with the exception of a gauge cluster mounted neatly under the dash and a retro stereo in the dash. Completely dry, clean trunk compartment. There's no patches, no rust, all painted nicely. It's got a new tire for a spare on a painted rim. It's got the jack up under here. Everything's painted nicely. New weather strip. The wiring is neat and tidy. So super clean trunk compartment. It's got power windows. They go up and down real fast and smooth. The steering wheel looks like it's painted. The whole dash is painted. It has the factory tachometer mounted right on the dash. All the trim is excellent. Interior lights work. It has seat belts in the back, not in the front. The original style shifter for a bench seat. Under the hood here is real nice. ZZ4 crate motor. There's 200 miles on that motor. If you're not familiar with the ZZ4, it's just a great motor. It's a 350 with 355 horsepower, 400 pounds of torque. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake, aluminum water pump, a roller cam, 4-bolt mains. When you buy a GM crate motor, they come assembled. They have oil in them. They're ready to just drop right in there. So that's got the reliability of GM, not some guy that rebuilt the motor. It's a GM built motor. And we'll start it up for you in just a second. Got an owner's manual in the glove box. We'll fire it up. It sounds great. The car feels nice, runs nice. I just have to find the right key. There's 4 of them on the key ring here. And of course, it will be the last one I try. Tachometer works. Yeah, it's a great sounding car. I didn't want to talk over it, but in the engine compartment, it's all detailed, restored, all brand new stuff. It does have power steering, power brakes. It's upgraded with a Borgeson 500 steering box. Everything's new. Guy I bought it from is a collector. He's owned it 5 years. He did a lot of the work on the car. He says he's maybe driven it 1,000 miles, and he says the motor has less than 200 miles on it. Again, that's a brand new motor from GM. So new motor, new trans, new rear end, new gas, new fuel system, new clutch, new suspension, all redone. So you're getting an excellent, excellent car in show quality condition. It's ready to go drive and enjoy. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can walk you through the whole process. Any questions about the car, shipping, financing, we can help you with all of that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as we put them out. I appreciate everyone who's been watching and hope you come back for more.